What's up, guys? Welcome back to Key to Auto. So as you know, Subaru, they moved away from their old EJ platform and they moved to the EG33. So I have seen All Things Super GT. He posted a preview of what it sounds like. They were testing it out on a track in Japan. So let's see what it sounds like, y'all. So there you have it, the new EG33 and the new Subaru number 61 BRZ. I'm excited to see what they do this year. It's going to be a different platform. Usually they've always performed pretty well in qualifying. It's always been up and down during the races. Hell, sometimes they even people even complain that they were so good in qualifying that they complain about them. You know, that was probably like a couple years ago, but they used to do that. But I'm hoping that they do good. I'm actually rooting for them this year in the GT300 class. So yeah, but yeah, it sounds pretty good. I can't wait to see it on the track. Okayama, the first official tests are March 6th through the 7th. The first day is not open to the public, but the second day is. So you can actually check that out on March 7th. This weekend. So looking forward to seeing it there. Stay tuned to Key to Auto for all your Super GT news on this side of the globe. Till next time, check you later.